Hey there, it's Trisha with Easy E-mini Trade, and I just want to show you a really quick, simple way to come up with targets in areas where price has never traded before. Going to show you, it'll take just a couple minutes, and it's going to sound crazy, but it really works. So here it goes. So this is NQ, and this is just the indicator right here that you see above where it says R2 here. This is the pivots in Ninja 8. It may be called in the platform that you're using, maybe Floor Trader pivots or pivot points. But here's yesterday's high in green right here. And so above that, we have no price reference whatsoever. So let's say you are somebody who uses Floor Trader pivots. The chances of this breaking the all-time high, right, because we've never been in this area ever before on NQ, YM, ES are all at all-time highs if it takes out, if price takes out yesterday's high. So I like to have a target to shoot for where I can expect or anticipate price to react. So if you put the Floor Trader pivots on your chart, you'll see up here R2 is at 82.72. And the chances of this going from 82.48 all the way up to 82.72 are pretty slim without some kind of hesitation. So I'm going to show you what I like to do, and if you're somebody who prefers Fibonacci projection, then go right ahead. But this is what I do, and it really works. Okay, so let me flip charts. So like I said, here's R2 at 82.72. I'm just going to do this on a 15-minute, or actually I could do it here. So if you look at yesterday's high, 48, you have the Floor Trader pivot here. I'm just going to draw a line. So that's at 72. Then all you do is you just split the space in half between those two areas. So I'm just going to draw another line, and then I'm going to draw a line in between it. So I'm going to split this in half again between yesterday's high and this midline that I drew. So I'm just going to divide that in space, and I'm just eyeballing it. If you want to use your fib tool to mark the halfway mark between 2 points, you can do that. And then I'm going to mark the halfway between this and this here, and voila, there you have it. So if you still had a large distance between these areas, then you would divide it in half again. So if I go up here to the next Floor Trader pivot, it's a ways away. I just have this marked up here because it's that round number. But if I go up here to the next one, oops, where are we here? Here we go. And if I mark the halfway mark between the R3 and the R2, it actually looks like it's right there, right around where I have my 8300. And then I'm going to divide the space in half again from the R2, from between this R2 here and 8300. And then if it's still a large distance, then divide it in half again. So as crazy as it sounds, and you do the same up here, divide in half, and then divide in half, and then divide in half. So like I said, as crazy as it sounds, it works, because we know when the market starts to get into brand new territory, it generally doesn't run away up there. It usually creeps its way higher. And you can do the same on ES and YM as well. Now, the thing to remember is that all these Floor Trader pivots, R3, R2, R1, etc., pivot point, will be different tomorrow, because these are based on, like today's are based on yesterday's range, and then tomorrow's will be based on today's range. So if you plan on doing this tomorrow, you'll have to start over. Okay, so I hope you find that helpful. It really is simple, and it really does work. Okay, have a great day.